What's good, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be playing my first video on Retro Bowl College. As you know, I already have a Retro Bowl video up. Check that out. I deleted the game because I raged, so I lost my save. Anyways, let's see how this looks. Let's see how it plays. And I'm gonna be rebuilding Colorado State because you know they lost to Deion Sanders, and Deion just took a big loss. So I think we can beat Deion if we just rebuild and get our defense better. So let's go. I'm always fine with ball 5. Yeah, I use that in Retro Bowl. Anyways, got him. Come on, break free, break free. He's gone, he's gone, he's gone. The 10, the 30, the 20, the 10. Now let me hit a little shot, bro. 68 yards? Nah, man. This receiver, I swear, if he a senior, bro, I'm gonna be mad. Bang! You guys know that there's not a lot of college games out right now that are on for mobile, except for like the program college football. You have good NFL games, but you just want college football after a while. Anyways, it's 3-7 here. I'm gonna go and let the RB take off. Crap! Bang! I forgot you can't truck. I thought this was Madden. I play too much Madden. Running back, coming back. I like the colors. I like how everything looks here. I'm really liking it, man. I am really liking it. Now, as you see, I've got a video paused in the corner. I'm trying not to get copyright by playing it because, you know, I don't want to technically, like, steal somebody's video, even though I'm using it in my video, because I just figured out the game was out by that video. I would have been like, bruh, I did not know this game was out at all, man. Like, I must have been living under a rock. I was playing Madden. Okay, hold up. Let's listen to this video real quick, boys. I'm gonna be silent.
Indiana. I don't know why, but it's staring.
Really, bro?
All right? It's looking at me, and it has Zidane written all over it, all right?
No.
Indiana, the Hoosiers is who I'm gonna go with.
Nah, bro. He crazy, bro. Should I yeet it? Man, I'ma yeet it. Yeet! Hell to yeet. Run, boy, run, 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 run! Don't slow the freak down, boy! Bo Nix! Bo Nix! I don't know why I kept saying Bo Nix. I must have PTSD from watching Oregon versus Colorado, man. Because these look like Oregon's jerseys, man. I'm just eat it. 1 yard is the name of the dude. I know they don't have names in this game, and the touchdown pass is like 1 yard. But I'm just saying, 1 yard is the name of the dude. Pow. I'm gonna fix Colorado State. We got a receiver down the sidelines. We're gonna pass it there. Can't go down the sidelines. It's too dangerous to go long down the sidelines. I learned that from Madden, and now I know that in this game. Crap! I saw the defenders. I saw them. I got good peripheral vision. Like, bro, I knew they were coming in. I'm like, oh crap. So I had to go. 2 or 1. Let's go for 1. We don't have to go for 2. It's not like the game. Bang, bang! I'm gonna pull up a picture after this game of the Colorado State last coach, man. Yo, bro, it's not a 21, bro. We are just crushing in this conference. They better give me some offers, bro. And I swear, if people start transferring in because of my great plays, I'm gonna be the best coach ever. I coached in the NFL for some time, and I went to coach in college the program, and now I'm coaching in real college football, I call it, baby. Dive! I love diving in that end zone. Stop punting, Hawaii. Just go for the ball. Like, you know the game's over, bro. So at least go for it. Give us better position. Can we still taunt in this game? Answer if we can still. Nope, we cannot. Oh, wait, we still can? Because I was hitting that taunt like going backwards. Hey, whatever, I get you anyway. Okay, I need to chill, bro. I need to chill. Enzo! I took all out. It's coming for me. Let's listen to Jeff Zadong.
All right, let's continue here. With just 1 week left in the season, Indiana have appointed Hef Zadong as their new head coach. No one knows what to expect from this untested new arrival. Let's just continue. Here we go. Right.
Okay, back to the game. Running back, dang, bro got pummeled. Didn't even have no chance, man. 5 touchdowns, bro. Nah, bro, this is Oregon versus Colorado all over again, but Hawaii versus Colorado State, man. Field goal kicker has not missed none. Crap, go for the ball. Oh, yeah, I like those comeback routes because it could get us some short yardage. Hey, stop the clock. Longest field goal of the season. Bang! Bang, baby. Okay, we got a few freshmen. We got a few juniors and seniors. Crap, can I stop any of them? Oh no. Please! Well, Roy's a senior. Sigler, don't leave us, man! And Hobbs, we knew they were gonna leave us. But Sigler, man! Okay, he's a graduate. Sucks for him. Okay. So let's look. We got a lot of sophomores and juniors. Dang. We already got a good kicker, so let's get a defensive line. Hold up. We have a defensive lineman. Let's get him. Linebacker, not too bad. Ooh. Well, that's it. Freshman, Yogam Takalarato. Well, everybody, that's the end of our first video here. I'm probably gonna finish this video, and then I'm probably gonna finish watching the video in the top corner. I'm gonna make a new video, and we're gonna show why we're ranked number 11. We're gonna win the Mountain Conference. No cap, no cap. Anyway, see y'all next time. You're always welcome to come back to see one of YouTube's most hidden gems. Ace the Kai, also known as NWE Wrestling Productions, out. Peace.